Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good today. I'm coming to you from Carlisle, PA, side of my truck. I'm in the line now to get a truck wash, and just wanted to share. I want to share my experience opening my company and how I did it, at least how I started it. And I just want to make clear before I go on the video. I want to share how I opened my own company and the steps I took to do so, and how I got my EIN, or the tax ID, employee identification number, whoever you call it, federal ID, whatever. And I'm not telling you how to do it, okay? I'm telling you how I did it, and maybe I can help you out somehow, save some money and get some stuff done by yourself, and get you guys and girls going. So 3 years ago I decided to start my own trucking company, and I had no clue on how to do it. So I started doing some research, and I actually found some helpful information on YouTube on how to establish your company, you know, either your LLC or Inc. I do strongly suggest getting into the business with at least an LLC, Limited Liability Company, because you know you don't want in the future, you know, and I'm not wishing for something bad, but if something happens, you know, you get involved in an accident or something like that, or something else, or a claim for low damage or some stuff, you don't want claims to fall on you as a person, okay? You don't want to be sued personally, and you don't want somebody else or a different entity to come after your personal belongings. That's why you need a limited liability company at least, or a corporation, okay? Not just a DBA, like, you know, just I'm gonna do business as you know, whatever your last name is, and then trucking or transportation or whatever like that. I mean, my word of advice is get an LLC or corporation, okay? It's gonna be I think it's gonna be a lot better, a lot safer, and a better way to do business. And maybe you plan on growing more than a truck, not just being an owner operator, and it's gonna be easier and better to have an LLC or a corporation. So, to the point, what I did is I found the cheapest way to do it is I went into IncFile, which is an online website. It's called incfile.com. It's spelled INCFILE.com. I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description. So you go there and you choose to open an LLC. Well, you don't. Okay, so what I did is I went to the website and I chose to open an LLC, and they have, or at least they did back at the time, and I checked last year because I was helping out a friend, and they still had the same prices. So they have, I think it was like 3 or 4 packages, like starter, and then they have you know, like silver, gold package, stuff like that, because each package they will offer more and more services, and they can get you an EIN. I mean, you know, they can get you the tax ID and stuff like that. Well, I chose the cheapest one. I think the fee was like $60-some or $64 or something like that. It's around that price. It's not too expensive. And then the rest of the money that you pay actually is whatever your state fee is for forming an LLC, okay? In my case, Pennsylvania fee back at the time was, I think it was $125, something like that. So I ended up paying only about 180 something, or, you know, no more than $200, that I'm sure. And they took care of opening, you know, filling the documents and getting the files with the State Department and stuff like that. And then about 20 days after I submitted it, the information, so I got everything on the not on the mail, but I had everything on the website. Because when you go with them, you will create an account on the website, and then once everything is ready, you access the account, and right there you can print out or save digital copies of all of the documents. I suggest you to print them out as well. It will still, I'm sorry, I got a call and the video cut. So information will always be there on the online ink file account. So you gotta pull up a little bit now. But I suggest you print out the documents and save them in a folder somewhere. That's what I did. I have my documents printed and I have them saved with some other stuff that you will have to keep for your records. So it's as simple as that. I went into the website, I choose the starter package, I entered the name that I wanted for my company, I entered my address, I entered my personal information, and they will request stuff. You just enter all the information that they ask you for. One tip that I will give you is so there's a part where they will offer you to choose an agent, because as an LLC, I have to have a representative agent on each state. So that's necessary. But then there's another part where within your state, at least in Pennsylvania, I had to choose an agent as well, and I decided it was going to be myself. I was going to represent myself in the state. And I'm giving you this tip because when I went to get my DOT authority later on, it had to be me, that agent, and not somebody else. Although it's not hard to change it in case you mess up that part. But I would suggest you put yourself as a representative of your business in your state. At least I did it that way in my state. And then it's as simple as that. You get done, you pay the fee, you enter your card information, and you wait. They have expedited. They will charge you extra for, of course, a premium for that. And you can get your stuff done a lot quicker. I think they will do it within a week or two, or you can just wait for them to take the time. So yeah, that's the easy way to do it. It's a cheap way to do it. I don't think you need to complicate yourself any more than that. And you need an LLC, and you need your corporation, basically for anything. But I'm talking about trucking. So specifically about trucking, if you're going to be leased onto another carrier and working under their authority, you still need your LLC with a bank account, so you can separate that income from your personal income and do the taxes properly and correctly. So now the other thing I'm going to tell you is how to get your tax ID. Real simple. It's not that hard. I mean, anybody can do it. Once you get your documentation, your company is already filled and everything's ready, what you do is you go into the IRS website. I think it's irs.gov. I'm not sure about that, but you can Google it. Make sure you go into the irs.gov, G-O-V, because there's a lot of companies online that they will offer to do it, but they will charge you for it, and it's free. Okay, you didn't hear, wrong. You heard me correctly. It's free. You can get your tax ID, your EIN, whatever you call it, for free from the IRS website. Okay, you go in there and you select the topic that says get your EIN, or I think that's exactly how it says. Or otherwise, you can put on the searcher. There's a search bar within the website, and you put in obtain EIN or obtain tax ID, and it will take you to it, and you will request it. You enter the company information that you will have from the documents that you will receive once the company is created, and that's the way that you request your EIN. You get it right away on your email. Whatever email address you select, you enter on the IRS. Once you are requesting, you requested the EIN, and you will get it at the moment. And then later on, you can print the paper right there, or they will mail it to you. And that as well, I would suggest you save it for your records. And with your tax ID and your company information, you can go to a bank and create a bank account for your company, and you're all set to roll as an owner operator, or yes, an owner operator or lease operator, whatever you decide to do once you buy or lease a truck or rent it or whatever. But now you have a company, you have an EIN, you have a bank account, and you're ready to do business. So I hope I can help you guys and or girls out. I hope, wish you the best of lucks. The luck out there. It's a tough industry, it's a tough business, but if you work hard, there's money to be made. You just gotta, learn your ways around it. I will try to upload more videos and give out some more helpful information. I did it all by myself. The stuff I didn't do by myself, I learned how to do it, and I can talk about it. So if I get enough requests and the video gets enough views, I will try to upload by pieces or by whatever is the most requested topic videos about. Hope you all have a blessed day, and hope you all be well. Bye bye.